Oh, you look like she's well done. You look like some random Chinese secretary. Oh, sorry. Relax a little bit.